I had a question from a 20-year-old. He said, yesterday I was checked my testosterone levels through blood work. It's 263 milligrams per deciliter. Only, he says, it's only that. Please give me some tips to increase it because I don't want to go on TRT yet.
Okay, and he's 20 years old, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not sure what the unit was. You said milliliters, milligrams?
He said milligrams per deciliter. Huh. That's not right.
No. So, okay.
Nanograms.
Nanograms per deciliter. Okay, yes. If he's in the U.S., it's nanograms. That is extremely low, but because he's 20, we would certainly not rush any sort of a treatment with this guy. The first thing we have to do is you have to go back and you have to get the proper lab work done. Unfortunately, and I beat this to death all the time, a lot of doctors are only checking total testosterone, and that is only one aspect of an important assessment. You need to find out your luteinizing hormone. More often than not, guys in your age group are deficient, or excuse me, they're not, but if they are deficient, it's usually due to secondary hypogonadism, which is a result of a low pituitary gonadotropic release. And if that's the case, it's usually secondary to lifestyle, nutrition, sleep, stress, lack of exercise, comorbidities, et cetera. And these are things that are totally in your control at the age of 20. So unless you've had some delayed puberty or some genetic malfunction go on or a TBI like head trauma or anything of the sort, it would be very uncommon for someone your age to really need therapy. So I urge you to get the proper testing done, get some sex hormone binding globulin drawn up, get some luteinizing hormone drawn up, and then in conjunction, you will have a better understanding of what's going on with your hormones. Sad to say, you probably should not be going back to the person who drew your labs initially because it's clear they don't understand how to treat, manage, or diagnose hormonal deficiencies. So seek a provider who's competent in doing that for you, so at the very least you can get off the ground correctly. I'd hate to see a guy at your age relegated to a lifelong treatment, especially, I mean, for any purpose, but especially if you're misdiagnosed or you miss an opportunity to do a little further digging. So get the proper diagnostics done and then have a deeper look.
Yes.